Hi everyone, this is John from Civil Center. Welcome to our channel. As we know, Civil Center is continuously working with the vision to guide civil engineering students and professionals. And for that, we keep making videos on different software. So, what are we going to learn today? Today, we will learn how to make the openings for the doors and windows in SketchUp. So for that, I have already drawn my guidelines over here. Now, we will start with the basement one. So this is our basement and I have already prepared the core house over here. Now we will have a look at our AutoCAD drawing. So we will see what are the things that are present over here. So we will just zoom in the basement. Now what I can do? I can simply measure the distances and then go for the modeling. So in the basement, I don't have any door or window. Now I will go for the ground floor. So over here you can see we have windows in the back, then two windows in the right and left. Then we have two ventilators on the left and one window on the right. So we have two other windows of different dimension over here. So we will start with this. So let's go to SketchUp. So over here you can see we have to make the windows openings. So let's compare it to the architectural plan. So over here we need two windows. Now I have already told you that the sill level of the window is 2 feet 6 inches and the lintel level is 7 feet. So we will make a window opening over here. For that I am using my rectangle tool. For that I have went to shapes and there I have selected the rectangle. Similarly, I will make another rectangle over here. Now I need a window over here, so I will draw the rectangles and then again I had another window over here. Now since I have just imported the AutoCAD file over here and then I have started the modeling, so I will find it very easy because I don't need to measure the dimension of the windows over here. So I will just draw a line and then I can choose the rectangle tool and make the windows. So let's see the process of making up the line again. I will use my tape measure tool and I will draw a guideline over here. Now I can use the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle over here and then again a rectangle over here. Now on this side we have seen that we had another window and two ventilators. So I will make the rectangles for the ventilator. Now what I can do, I can simply use my push pull tool and make changes in this one. So for that I am using my push pull tool and I will bring it to the edges. So I will just go over here and then push it to the desired location. So I will go and click on face and you will find that we have a window opening over here. Similarly, I can make the openings for the ventilators too. All you have to do is to just go back and click on face. Now you can see that we don't have the opening over here. So for that what we can do, we can just delete this and you will find that we have a opening for the ventilators. Now let's go to the next side and over here we had the windows. So again use the same technique, click on face and you will get the windows opening. And if you are getting the surface over here, then you can just select it and delete it, and you will have your windows openings same as the ventilator openings. Now I'm left with these two windows, so I will use this one and click on face. Then again I will use this one and click on face. Now I can simply select the surface and delete it. I will do the same for this one too. Now you can see we have all the windows openings that we needed. Now what happened over here? So over here you can see that the surface has been deleted. So what we can do for that? We can simply draw a line, and then we will draw it parallelly to the ground, and then we can join the surface. We will go back over here and I will use my tape measure tool and mark a line of 2 feet 6 inches. Then I will draw another line. So this way you can draw a line, and now you can select and delete the surface and you will have your window opening. Now what you need to do, you need to draw 2 more lines so that you can fill this surface. You can just reverse the face. So this way you will have to check and make the corrections wherever it is required. Now accidentally I have also deleted this surface, so I can bring back that surface by just drawing a line over here. Now I don't need this line, so I will simply delete it, and then using my line tool I will draw a line from here to here, and I will get the wall back. So this way you can easily get a surface in SketchUp if you have accidentally deleted. So this is how you make the opening for the windows. Now let's see how you can make the openings for the door. So over here you can see we have so many doors over here. Now what we can do? We can simply draw the guidelines. So for that I'm using the tape measure tool and mark it at 7 feet. Now what I need to do? I need to draw a line, but let's say check the dimension first. Yes, it is correct. So I will use a line tool. Now this surface will be divided, and using the push-pull tool I can simply bring it to the edges, and you can see you have a door opening over here. Now we will repeat the process for this one. So for that I am using the tape measure tool, marking it over here. Then using the line tool I will draw a line over here. Select the surface, pull it to the edge. Then I can take the reference from here and draw a line from here to here, or I can simply mark a line over here. Then simply divide the line and select the surface. Now using the push-pull tool, pull it to the wall. So this way you can make the doors over here, and you can use this technique to make rest of the doors, and that is how you can make the windows and doors opening in SketchUp. So what else do I need over here? I need one more door over here. So I will just take the reference from the guideline then I will use line and select the surface, pull it to the wall. Now you can erase the unnecessary line. And you can see over here you have all the required windows and doors opening in the ground floor. Now let's see the AutoCAD file for once. So we had door over here, here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 doors. Now let's count the number of doors so that you can be sure that you have made all the door openings. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I guess one more door is missing somewhere. So I will just check it again. And okay, we had missed the door opening over here that is connecting the floor to the stairs. So I will make one more door opening over here. So I can do it in the same way. That is, I will just take the reference line from here to here, then again draw a line select the surface and pull it to the face. And we have all the 6 doors in the ground floor. So guys, that was a simple technique of making the doors and windows opening in a SketchUp. Now if you want to learn all these things in detail, then you can join our live online classes or you can go for the recorded session of our classes. So for that, all you have to do is to just click on the link given in the description and then select the training program that you want. Like if you want to go for the recorded session of G+1 building 3D modeling, then you can select this option. And if you want the live classes, then you can go for this option. So guys, that was all for today. See you in the next video. Thank you.